everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Agoda search or location not working. First, make sure that the location services are turned on your phone settings. Go to settings, search for location services, and then make sure that they are turned on. Next, go to your phone settings and also allow location permissions for the Agoda app. Then check your internet connection and just refresh the app. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so the app operates smoothly. Then restart your phone to fix temporary issues affecting search functionality. Also update the app to the latest version. Go to the App Store, then search for Agoda and make sure to update the app to the latest version so you'll get the bug fixes. If the problem continues, try entering the destination manually instead of using GPS. That's how you fix the Agoda search or location not working.